how to transfer money from Revolut to my bank account. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to open and launch your Revolut application. And of course, you have to make sure that this one is up to date or you're using the latest version of this application. If you don't have an account, then you need to sign up. So this is what it looks like. And all you have to do is to simply look for the option transfer that is beside add money. So you tap this one and you will see here your previous transactions or your contacts. Now what you want to do here is simply click new because you're going to send or transfer money from Revolut to your bank account. So tap new and you will see here some options such as bank recipient, card recipient, wallet, group, contact, send international, create a payment link. So let's just focus on this option. It says bank recipient. So what you want to do here is to simply click this bank recipient. As you can see, transfer money to any bank account. And what you want to do here after you tap this is to simply enter the informations needed, such as your IBAN, account number. So we have here account details, country. So you have to select your country, currency, and your IBAN account. And then after that, you have to enter first and middle name. Of course, if you're using your bank account, you have to enter your information here. Okay, and that's it. Once done, what you want to do is to simply click continue, and that's it. Once you have entered or added your bank account, the next time you will send money from Revolut to your bank account, it will pop up right away and show that this is your or it's one of your recent transactions. So all you have to do is simply tap continue to transfer money from Revolut to your bank account. And that's how easy it is. And I hope you've learned something from this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.